Today, in this video, I will discuss with all of you about some examples of transformations from affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Okay, so let's start our class. At first, I have made a structure, and at the left side I have written affirmative sentence, and in the right side I have written negative sentence. And in the affirmative part I have written some sentences that belong to affirmative part, and in the right side I have transformed these sentences into negative sentences. Okay, so our example number 1, what is our example number 1? He tried all planned. This sentence belongs to affirmative sentence. Okay, now I will change it into negative sentence. What I have made it? He tried all plan, and when I will change it into negative sentence, I have made it he left no plan untried. He left no plan untried, and this is an exceptional transformations, and it does not belong any kind of rules. Actually, you must watch that here the sentences the sentence is in past tense. He tried all plan. Now I transformed it into negative, but I also made it into past tense but negative sentence. Okay, he left no plan untried. Actually, here this is the example of double negatives. Okay, this is the example of double negatives. No plan untried. This kind of words belongs to negative part, and this is also a negative word, untried. Okay, so our first example completed. Our second example is that he saw you. He saw you. This sentence belongs to affirmative sentence, and now I will change it into negative. What I have made it? He did not fail to see you. He did not fail to see you. This is also an example of double negatives. Did not fail to see. Did not fail to see. He saw you. He saw you. And when I transformed it into negative, he did not fail to see you. This sentence also belongs to in the past tense. Okay. And when I will change it into negative part, you must put it into past tense. Okay. Our third example is that he wanted to fight. He wanted to fight. And now I will change it into negative. How can, in which way I have made it into negative form? Please see, he did not want not to fight. He did not want not to fight. This is also an negative, double negative. This is also an double negative. Okay, example of double negative. He wanted to fight. He did not want not to fight. Minus minus plus, double minus, and change it into affirmative sentence. He wanted to fight. Okay. Our fourth example is that we looked for him everywhere. We looked for him everywhere. We left no place to look for him. We left no place to look for him. This is also an exceptional examples of transformations from affirmative sentences into. What is our fifth example? Our fifth example is that I fail to understand why he has failed. This sentence belongs to affirmative part. Okay, actually this sentence is in affirmative sense. Now I will change it into negative format or negative sentence. What I have made it? What I have made this sentence when I will change it into negative part? Actually I have made it I do not understand. I do not understand why he has failed. Do not understand why he has failed. This is an affirmative sentence. This is in affirmative sense, and I have changed it into negative sense. I do not understand. Fail to understand. Do not understand. This meaning is also same in. This meaning is also same. Fail to understand. When I will make it into negative, do not understand. Okay. I think all of you can easily understand it. Our next example is that he loves you. This is also an exceptional changes of transformations. He loves you. He loves you. This sentence is in affirmative sense. Now I will change it into negative sense. What I have made it? He is not without love for you. He is not without. he loves you, he is not without love for you. This this meaning is also in same in pattern. Okay, he loves you, and this is in affirmative sense. When I will change it into negative sentence, he is not with love for you. Actually, the structure has already changed, but they are same in meaning. This sentence is in affirmative part, but when I will change it into negative part, they are actually different from their structures, but they are same in the meaning. He is not without love. Okay. Our seventh example is that I remain silent. Our seventh example is that I remain silent, and this sentence is in affirmative form. Now I will change it into negative. What I have made it? I did not say anything. I did not say anything. Actually, remain. This is in affirmative sense. When I will change it into negative sentence, what I will do? I did not say anything. This sentence also belong in. This sentence is also belongs in past tense, and when I will change it into negative, I also make this sentence into past tense. I did not say anything. Here did I have used it, that belongs to past tense. Okay. Our eighth example is that we finished everything. We finished everything. This sentence also belongs to affirmative sentence, and also is in affirmative sense or positive sense. Now I will change it into negative. What I have made it? We left nothing unfinished. We left nothing unfinished. Okay, we left nothing unfinished. Actually, this is also an example of double negatives. He is a next. Our example number 9 is that he is as strong as you. He is as strong as you. Now I will change it into negative form. Actually, this example, he is as strong as you, and when I will change it into negative form, you are not stronger than he. Actually, this is an example of interchanging degree of comparison. Okay, and in the same part, you are more intelligent than he. You are more intelligent. Our example number 10. What is our example number 10? You are more intelligent than he, and when I will change it into negative sense or negative sentence, what I will do? He is not so intelligent as you. He is not so intelligent and as you. This is also an example of interchanging degree of comparison. Okay, and here I have made this sentence from affirmative into negative. He is not so intelligent as you. Okay. Our last example, I am hopeful. I am hopeful. And what I have changed it into negative? I have not without hope. I have not without hope. This is also an exceptional examples of transformations from affirmative to negative sentences. So this is the examples of transformations from affirmative sentence into negative sentence. I think this class will be very helpful to all the students, and especially to those students who wants to learn the English grammar in an easy way. So here I am closing this class. In the next class I will give you some special information about an important content of English grammar. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and put the bell icon to get all the notification. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Goodbye.